This is the Swivel by Selina. Here we have the actual swivel, 3 washers, a lock nut, a screw, the assembly manual, the Allen key, and the 13mm wrench. So step 1 is you need to take these plastics off. Step 2 is you want to take out the plug, so you open this and you take out the power and the data cables off. And you close it. Okay. Next, you're going to want to grab the Allen key and the wrench and turn anti-clockwise. Turn to the left. And then this is going to fall down, so make sure it falls downwards. And when you take it off, there's a bunch of washers that are going to fall. I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Each hand goes towards the left. So you're going to grab the screen, or you can ask a friend to help you. And then when you pull it out, all the washers are going to fall. Just make sure you tape. So for our next step, we want to install the actual swivel on the back of the Peloton. So every screen, every Peloton is different. So in terms of how many washers you add, it's really up to you. For me, what really works is one of the thin washers here, then we take one of the provided washers, you put it here, and then you thread it through. You thread it through here, and then over here, you want to put a washer right there we go. Make sure it's snug, so we're gonna add maybe one more. And screw this in, as such. I'm gonna take the Allen key and the wrench, and I'm gonna go towards the right. And you want to make sure it's tight, but not too tight, just like as such. Perfect. So for the next step, you might want the help of a friend, but you bring in the screen with the swivel, and then you put a washer through the screw, and then when you find the hole, you push, and then you thread it through. And in my case, it's pretty tight, so I don't need any washers in between. But here I'm going to add a washer here. Here's a washer. And I'm going to put a lock nut over here. Now I'm going to screw it in. Now you want to make sure that this is straight, perfectly aligned with the bracket. There you go. For the final step, you want to put back the cables, the power cable, and the other cable. Close that there. And then the final step, you want to tighten everything. Make sure everything's tight, and you can always adjust. There you go.